Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be reviewing Samsung Smart Tag. Here it is. It's full beauty. A GPS tracker, let me just give you a bit of an explanation. A GPS tracker is where it actually, there's some sort of signal going from the device to a satellite, a number of satellites to be honest, to actually work out the position of the device. That is a GPS tracker. Now, a lot of you might be thinking, okay, a lot of those trackers have a SIM card in it. Now, the reason why they have the SIM card in it is so it can actually relay what the coordinates are of the device back to another machine or interface, or it could actually send a text to the person who's monitoring it that these are the coordinates of the device. Now, that are the two type of trackers. Now, some devices just have a SIM card in it and it doesn't locate it from the actual satellite. Now, those devices actually coordinate with the local mast from where the signal is going from the device to the actual mast, and it coordinates the position from there. So those are the two types of trackers. This one from Samsung is actually a Bluetooth enabled tracker. So it emits a signal which is called Bluetooth Low Energy BLE from the device to your mobile phone, and it's able to locate there. Now, Samsung do say that it does not just only bounce from the signal of the phone that you've actually attached it to, but it would actually get a signal or be located from other devices. So say for example you're out of range of the device and it picks up a signal from another Samsung Galaxy, for example, it will be able to find out the location of the device from there. It is a two-way location tracker. For example, if you connect it to your phone and you've misplaced your phone, you can actually press the button on this, locate your device. So it is a two-way thing. So if you want to attach it to your keys and you've got your keys but you've misplaced your phone, or you just don't want to find it, you press the button and the phone should be able to be located. Now, it's not just a tile tracker. Now, with internet taking over a lot of things in our lives and becoming a necessity in some parts of our life, to be honest, from work to home, where Samsung is actually going with this is it's the internet of things. So if you've got this on your keys and you've got the Samsung interface at home as well, whether that's lights, TV, you have it all connected up. So say for example you can have it potentially set up so that when you park up in the drive and it's located from your device, as in the location is picked up, it would actually turn the lights on or turn the heating on or TV on or put the coffee on. So that's where they're going with the tile tracker, and that is the internet of things. Hopefully, let's just do the unboxing video for now. Okay, we will be unboxing this smart tag now. Looking at it, it is quite nifty, the packaging. Open this. Very tightly packed. Let's just take that out. First thing, that's the empty box. Let's put that to the side. We've got a quick start guide in here by Samsung. It's got the model number, and again, we might actually read that at a later stage. A lot of info on there. Again, it's a lot of languages, so I'm not going to actually look at this right now. It's all packed up. It's fairly nice and compact, to be honest. Does look a bit daunting looking at the size of that quick start guide. Nothing quick about that start guide, but again, it's in a lot of different languages. Looking at this, whoa, it's a nice matte finish. It's a very nice finish. Well, don't know what I was expecting. So you go to the back, pop it out. That's all it is. It says Galaxy Smart Tag. That's the button. Samsung on the back. Now, if you look at it, it's not that big. So I'm just going to place it there and put it next to my ruler. Now, just looking at that, it is quite small. It's just 4 centimeters by 4 centimeters. So it is relatively small. Now, looking at that, it's very nice and compact. Got Samsung written on it. It does look like it's prone to fingerprints as well, so I don't know if that's the case. Now, it would have been nice for Samsung to actually include some attachments to it, because obviously if it's a tracker, you are going to attach it. If you're going to attach it to your mobile, I don't know how they think that you're going to find it in not many. You could put it in the case as well. That, I think, because it's a two-way device where you can actually locate your phone from there and vice versa. So when you're locating that, I assume the sound comes from here. It's a nice little button. It's tugged. You can hear that. I've got a Samsung in the vicinity, but it's not attached to this, but I will do a setup of this and see how it sets up, and that's it for now. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you found this useful and you know what's in the box now. Hopefully catch you in the next review.